It is still gold. That is still the preferred asset for wealth preservation by billionaires, companies, and countries. The United Kingdom reported that inflation has now hit a 10-year high. The United States reported a 31-year high at 6.2%. Mexico is at 6.2%. We're still spending money though. The US government continues to spend money we simply do not have. The United States continues to run yearly deficits well beyond the wealth it produces as seen through the GDP. Sure, the Federal Reserve has been tapering its monthly asset purchases by $15 billion a month, but it doesn't mean they have stopped buying assets. By the time the quantitative easing program stops, they will have spent $9 trillion. Then there's a new stimulus that the White House wants called Build Back Better. That will entail trillions of dollars on top of the $1 trillion infrastructure bill that recently was signed. Some think that the bill is targeted to the ones who need it most, but it still doesn't change the fact that we're going to spend money we don't have. The new bill being proposed by the current administration has a cost of approximately $1.75 trillion. The Fed continues to affirm this inflation is transitory, but data indicates that inflation will stick around and it's going to get worse. Based upon our economic recovery occurring at a much more prolonged period than originally anticipated, and the vast amounts of government capital that have been used to aid in the recovery, it is no wonder that market participants have once again focused upon the safe haven asset that for hundreds of years has kept up with inflation, and that's gold. Gold recovered, and as of last week, gold future basis, the most active December contract, is currently fixed at $1,869.50. Unquestionably, if the current administration continues down the road with tremendous expenditures that the government will have to borrow to pay for, the United States will advance our national debt. Will there be bumpy roads? Sure. But if an assumption is correct, gold has nowhere to go but pricing higher. So consult your financial advisor to re-examine your portfolio. But if you have any questions about what we do in the physical gold space, which financial advisors do not do, call us at 877-646-5347. We have a team that's always ready to help. It's a no pressure consultation. You can also go to our website at noblegoldinvestments.com for more information about gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. You can also download our free guide. If you're interested in investing in precious metals and you want to talk to a no-hassle representative that has experience in physical metal, give us a call. Phone number is 877-646-5347. Our phone lines are always open, and we're happy to answer any of your questions.